The top stories. Manipur has proved that it has faith in Modi government, says Union Minister of State Kiran Rijiju. State government to give a title to Mary Kom for her contributions in society. And Chief Minister of Saigang Division along with accompanying dignitaries arrive at Imphal to attend Manipur Sangai Festival. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju said the country believes in Narendra Modi government and BJP will definitely win in the 2019 election. He was talking to executive editor of Times of Manipur TV News, Santi Salam, in an exclusive meeting at Hotel Grand during his stay for Sangai Festival. He said the BJP is making various plans and holding campaigns in order to serve the people in the best possible manner.
The election is very clear. The country needs the leadership of Narendra Modi, and BJP is the only party in the present time who can take care of the whole of India. All other parties are fragmented. The Northeast requires a very strong and stable government who can understand the problem of Northeast. So that is why BJP is absolutely in a commanding position, which has understood the feelings of the people, and people also have realized that it is BJP who can only steer India towards the growth and prosperity.
After holding meetings with state BJP leaders and attending Sangai Festival, the Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju today has flown for Itanagar this morning. Showing appreciation on her 6th World Champion gold medal at IBA Women's World Boxing Championships, New Delhi, Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren has declared to give a special title to Mary Kom by the government of Manipur. It was announced at Sangai Fiesta 2018, organized by Business Excellence Group at Sangai Tel Park as part of Sangai Festival. Chief Minister and Biren said that one should love and respect each other while we are alive. He added that there was a time when the people of Valley were scared of going to hill areas and not many people from hill areas attended festivals in the valley. But now, people from both hills and valley attend the Sangai Festival, which is a great achievement of the present government.
Singtom, Nagagi, Kukigi, Maitegi, Evelate, Pun Sigi surroundings the Liminarkanda Sumaina, Punna, Apunbagi, Portama, Koina. Yaumin never number, Yaumin never fangba, Pangtok Pangzeva, Namzevase. Sidaki and a chocolate, no modi soy than a shivido later. Say some Lana Punsiba Misi Atangmani. Matamiam Tienbani, life cannot be no have any day in heaven. Matamiam Tienbani, no shinner review. Matamiam Tienbani Punsiro, Punsise, a quite amateur in a lake, she having a quiggy, and over government civil philosophy.
Revenue, CAF and PD Minister Karam Syam, Forest, Mahut and Town Planning Minister TH Syam Kumar, Rajya Sabha MP Bhavananda, MLA Subha Chandra, Kakching Assembly Constituency, MLA Susildro, Khurai Assembly Constituency, MLA Subhash Chandra, Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Assembly Constituency, MLA Indrajit of Khetrigaon Assembly Constituency, DGP LM Khaute, Director of Tourism Ibhol Singh and others attended the event. Chief Minister of Saigang Division, Myanmar, reached Imphal for the inauguration of a friendly football match between Manipur and Myanmar as a part of Sangai Festival. Chief Minister of Myanmar, Saigang Division, Myint Nang, was accompanied by Social Welfare Minister Jo Win and Minister of Development Min Kyu, YAS Minister Letpa Hokip and Education Minister TH Radheshyam welcomed the team from More later arrived at Imphal by helicopter. Later, the women's friendly football match was inaugurated by the Chief Ministers of Manipur and Myanmar. On the other hand, Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports YAS Letpa Hakib said participation of footballers from Myanmar and sumo wrestlers from Japan will help strengthen the relations among the people of all the three places.
Both sides independence, we Galakanda, India, Manipur, democratic country, Aduna aggression, hyper policy, neighboring country, the Tawapate, peacefully coexistence in a Kanabapure, South Papure, Highway Wakalonda, through sport, Sida Akwe Amagamaga, Punsinaraga, Nuksinaba, Purakadara, Highway Wakalonda.
Salai Holdings Private Limited accorded warm welcome to the visiting teams from Myanmar. The welcoming function sponsored by the Salai Holdings was held at the office of the private company at Tera Lokrak Pamlikai today. Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings and Bisoji said the company decided to sponsor the program to ensure health for the Manipuri settled in Myanmar. The step was taken up as requested by the Indo-Myanmar Association.
Myanmar Ladiba, Kanisilino sing a sigi, Makogi Santok Lambishing, Paganabagi, Amadi, Moiga Akoiga Tumkoina Mari, cultural relationship, Amadi economic relationship, Masimakata, Pukalamagi Magda, Equina Sumokogi Sel Tungi Pivamase, Karamamunda Pakapaya, Bagi Pivamse, Masamasaki Santok Lambi, Lenabagi Magda, Equisu, Madugi Canose, Wakalse, Sinamango in Zeraga, Equinasu, Mokogi Canose, a sponsor 1000.
Brahmachari Mayum Gayatri, a Manipuri settled in Myanmar, expressed her desires to adopt the ideology of Salai Holdings to provide self-employment in Myanmar.
Kaina, Adumiam Saladaga, Sangai, Salagi, factory, Miam do so Lenoma, Mazaka, Salagi, Adumiam swing. Doing what I can how you have the Makoina to Ribamiam to equate the Asunda, Kamina, import, export over Kamina to Shimbaya as a gay hyperto, and he walk at the card later. About say, Makaliam sweep of God, equate Hanagi, labor, Miam City. Hawaii, Adukumatoi, Hawaii tractor hydra, Adukmina Tojaba, white product.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Watch Life and Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Coming soon, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back after the break. A 3-day solo art exhibition titled One Man Show of Art 2018 was held at Nupilal Complex. The painting exhibition was organized by painting artist Michael Mitay, who lost his legs in a bomb blast. He said, even as paintings do not speak, painting is a visual art form which carries valuable messages across the world regardless of language.
miyam da paudam bane hai adu lonthok ta ba hai badi lan gani maram di akoina ye iba brush ki stroke sing adu ga lady ba technique bayam se ta sing hai ki international wide te yeng ba ya ba international da communication tau ba ya ba art bang ni ba maram di lai ama yeng ba matam da kari no si da ye ise hai ba wakhal am ka adum feel to bang ami sam sam na ai gi lai si beyond bomb blast hai bani aina bomb blast yaukra matung si da aduga society ji leiriba tonga tong thodok sing amka ur kan dai layak ba moina khoi gi society si da khoi santi gi paujin pi ba pami haiba gi artist amagi inner feeling do ai gi kanba si dai phongtok sa bane ba.
The annual Santi Puja of Coastal Project Limited, which is drilling the railway tunnels from Jiribam to Imphal, was concluded at Saluibung in Scotland today. Managing Director of the Coastal Project, project engineer and workers attended the Santi Puja. Various programs of Tamil and Manipuri cultures were also presented during the 3-day Santi Puja. Liaison officer of the Coastal Project, KSH Prem, said the Santi Puja is held every year to seek blessing from God for safety at work. Most of the drilling work is complete, he added.
Coastal Project Limited na hek hauropadagi railway gi tunnel project se mathang koi tunnel myam ama adum complete loi chale haji che amba portion loi rakanda akoi tupul to Imphal station gi tawre sida phatung da thok da ma amadi project sigi akoi gi yamna khumang joksan na ba gi da makta ai tare akoi Santi Puja na tawjabani.
Kanglei Park Students Association KSA today organized a feast in connection with Ningol Chakoba. The feast was organized at the office of the association at Kuyatong. Ladies belonging to various communities were invited in the feast. Simple gifts were presented to the ladies, the Ningols as called in Manipuri, as part of Ningol Chakoba. President of KSA N. Chetan said the feast was organized with an objective of empowering the women community in the state to put a stoppage on crime against women.
Society da sathariba crime amasung victim oiriba akoi ningolji leiriba society asi bu kitang simdok pa yana ba amasung mabung mapa oiba amasung mache machal oibagi muling adu akoi relation adu kitang chesan duna akoi society asi da koi poktak amtang piraga akoi gi leiriba furu asi different varieties tribal Muslim maiti pangan amasung maiti na chingba yaurga pulaga siliba asi akoi gi pulamna akoi unity gi pandam na sinbani.
Facebook Real Friend today organized a voluntary blood donation camp at Langol Caesar Blood Bank and transfusion services today. Then 20 donors donated blood at the camp. Secretary of Facebook Real Friend Babin Kumar Guru Aribam said the blood donation was organized with an objective of making blood available to the emergency patients.
Nasigi pangthuiba blood donation camp asi akhoi gi di ahambani ado akhoi gi tawjakiba thabak sing di akhoi di sengnaraga di angang habi cancer patient kumba kidney patient kumba help taro lapani aduga adugi manung channa akhoi zebra crossing awareness su 2 times pangthuk sakre ngasigi blood donation camp asi na akhoi ahamboina akhoi gi blood ki walapa habi hospital de ani hospital am de lakpada blood ki problem or pakol pasing jo akhoi kitang help tawang gamna bagi tamta ngasigi donation na camp asi pangthuk sakane akhoi ngasi si akhoi na around 20 mukti target to hoji pauda 15 maya de khoi piba loigre real friend gi member gi yaure duga atopa outsider voluntary khar su dum piba yaure khoi sida khoi gi member de hoji pauda 60 mukti leire khoi gi 64 smile leire ngasi sija hospital sija foundation ga khoi tai up tora pangthuk jabani ngasi blood donation kemas
totally organized ne real friend
real khoi organize journal khoi real friend toroga sija foundation ga khoi khusam nara pangthuk jabani.
Let's take a short break once again. Welcome back. The Ram temple issue, over which a tumult is on in Ayodhya today, found resonance in Rajasthan as Prime Minister Narendra Modi took it up to attack the Congress. Right-wing Bishwa Hindu Parishad and BJP ally Shiv Sena are holding parallel programs in Ayodhya today, pushing for the construction of temple bypassing the legal aspect. In Alwar, the Prime Minister accused the Congress of politicizing the issue. When the Ayodhya hearing was on, some Congress leaders of Rajya Sabha asked that the case be resolved before 2019 because of the elections. Is it right to drag the country's justice system into politics? A national news agency quoted the Prime Minister as saying, when some judge of the Supreme Court is trying to do justice to a sensitive issue like Ayodhya, the lawyers of the Congress threatened the Supreme Court judges with impeachment, he added. Former Union Railway Minister C.K. Jafar Sarel died this morning at a hospital in Bengaluru. Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President Dinesh Gundu Rao said Jafar Sarif was 85. He was admitted to a private hospital in Bengaluru a few days ago after he collapsed while getting into this car for Friday namaz. Well, let's take the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. All preparations begin behind the scene. Mary Kom wins record equaling 6th gold. Myanmar army intrudes, prohibits construction. Uphold ceasefire with NSCN-IM. ZCOs to Government of India. The People's Chronicle. Mary Kom wins record 6th gold. Howland 5 border road takes ugly turn. Ride to Myanmar trip flagged off. Tamenglong finally reaches Somalia. Zuko Valley replica mesmerizes visitors at Shanghai Festival. Imphal Free Press. Mary Kom becomes first female boxer to win 6 gold medals at World Championships. Myanmarese army intimidates locals of Howland Phai Khun. 3 villagers injured in scuffle with Assam Rifles. Sports Minister sends congratulations. The Morning Bell. MC Mary Kom creates history. Wins a gold 6th worth boxing championship gold. Sagang Chief Minister to attend Indo-Myanmar Shanghai Business Summit 2018. One-day entrepreneurship development program conducted at Senapati. MOS Kiren Rijiju attends Manipur Shanghai Festival. AICC launches a digital platform Shakti to connect with workers. Manipur Mail. Mary Kom becomes 6-time boxing world champion. Kiwi Fruit Festival. Manipur blanks India A. England defeats Uruguay.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Manipur has proved that it has faith in Modi government, says Union Minister of State Kiren Rijiju. State government to give a title to Mary Kom for her contributions in society. And Chief Minister of Saigang Division along with accompanying dignitaries arrive at Imphal to attend Manipur's Shanghai Festival. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for being with us.